Hi friends, we are creating wonderful websites using WordPress, and in this video we are going to create a perfect website for holiday planning or event management. So if you are targeting any such website, watch this video until end and you can explore the theme that we are going to use in this video is happy events. So I was saying you can explore other themes as well. In this video for this website, we are going to use happy events WordPress theme, and it is a dedicated theme for holiday planner and event agency. And the good part of this theme is it has been developed by a power elite author, that is CMS Masters, and we have already used this theme at our various projects, and you can also use this wonderful theme for a stunning website for event management or holiday planning or like any event activities. So this is the target website that we are going to use, and the theme also supports the e-commerce activity, and it has numerous features that you need for your website, like calculated form is here, and you can check the other features as well. All the links I am including in the video description, through which you can buy the theme, you can buy the hosting, everything that you need for your website. And furthermore, you can also join the iCreate program after buying the theme to get direct support from WordPress mentors. Okay, so this is a core installation of WordPress, and I am using this cPanel based hosting plan, and you can also avail the same. And this is the theme that we are going to use, and this is the target website that we are going to make. So in order to installation, we will also review all the features of this theme. So let us proceed. Before we start, I'll show you the theme pack. And I believe you are already a subscriber to this channel. If not, you may please subscribe. And in the theme pack from the inverter market that you are buying, you'll receive the demo content, docs, licensing, the installable theme file, and the child theme file. So we are going to use this installable theme file. To proceed with the installation, we have very simple steps, and we can simply go to the appearance section of core installation, and further go in the theme section. By default 2023 WordPress theme is here, and we can add a new theme here. We have to select the installable file here for uploading the theme, and this is happyevents.zip is only installable file. So I can see the theme file size is 16.7 MB. So what I'll do, I'll upload the theme directly to the file manager, that since we have all the access, and I'll go to the file manager and the respective domain that I am using. Yes, so the file manager is here, and the WP content for the themes, and this is the directory where we can upload the theme file, happyevents.zip. Okay, so it got uploaded within 2 seconds, and now I am extracting the uploaded file, and the extraction will give us this happy-events folder in which we got all the contents, all the elements of the theme, of course. So just delete this zip one, it is not required. Now coming back to the themes screen, now I am checking, and I have now happy events as another theme option. We can check the details. I'm using happy events version 1.1 1.2.2 by CMS Master. You will be getting an updated version while you make a purchase, and you have to buy through the inverter market, as I said, and the theme is available for $59 at themeforest.net through the link given in the video description. And advantage of buying theme through the description link, you are going to get a free access. I mean, onboarding will be free at iCreate for you, and the program will help you in making your website live and up in no time with the help of mentors. Okay, so let us activate the theme. Once activated, I have this alert that we need to install certain plugins in order to get the complete functionality. Let us see what is here. I can see 13 plugins out of 4 has been marked as required. Rest are recommended only. So very quickly, I'll show you. This is the content composer. So CMS Masters theme developers, the developers of this theme are CMS Master, and they use their own content composer. You can consider this as space builder. It is a wonderful thing. Custom fonts is here, and this is importer for importing the demo content. This is for mega menu, and the calculated fields is creating a certain calculated form, and contact form 7 is also here in watermark it. GDPR cookie consent just to show the cookie information. This is for Instagram field, layer slider for hero images. Revolution slider is also here. Events, calendar, and the WooCommerce. So these are the big list actually. So I am trying to install all these 13 plugins in one attempt. I have selected all and now selecting install, clicking on apply. Let us see if it works. It may install all 13 plugins, or it will show us the status what we need to do next. So it may take a while because number of plugins are 13. Okay, wonderful. So I can see all green marks here. All 13 plugins got installed within just few seconds. Hardly it took 30 seconds for me. And it is wonderful thing that all plugins got installed without any trouble, and we can simply come back to the recommended plugins screen, and this time we can check all the updated versions of plugins are here. No plugin is on old version. So all is clear. So I was just checking, sorry. So now I am selecting all these plugins 13, and now I'll select activate and clicking on apply. This will activate all the installed plugins in one go. Theme has been installed, 13 plugins has been installed. Now we are activating the theme. As you seen, WordPress installation is a very simple process, but yes, we have to follow the exact steps. Now on the screen you can see all 13 plugins has been activated successfully, and we can click on the dashboard to check whether we need any further action. Taking a while? Yes. So it is taking us to the setup wizard of WooCommerce, I believe, because this theme also will support the WooCommerce. So I'm just completing the WooCommerce as well, because I wish to show you the maximum things that we can do with the theme. So this is, and it is a very simple process of installing WooCommerce as well, and our store or the e-commerce version can be enabled at our installation. Turning on the lights, it means the WooCommerce is being installed and the gradient, and now it has been installed. Again, I'm at dashboard, and we can have some alerts. Yes, so all plugins has been installed successfully, activated successfully, and I have now some additional options here. I will show you each and everything. So if you are really keen to make a wonderful website, you have to select a perfect theme, and for selecting any theme you have to watch the theme overview videos available at this channel, because you never know what is laying inside the theme before you buy it. But this channel, WP Themes, gives you all the options through which you can explore the theme, understand the theme features, what plugins has been included, what are the installation process, how you can customize the website. Because once you watch the complete video, you will be able to understand how comfortable you are with the theme for your matching your requirement of website. Okay, wonderful. So now I'll show you the website, how it looks with the theme and all setup plugins. So this is the website. Cookie information is here. There is no data here. And so at the next level, we can proceed for importing the demo content, as we are targeting this website. And this is really a wonderful website, of course. And it is presenting the content in a very, very specific manner as we need for event planning. Like this is the event. I can show you one of this event page. It shows all the informations, and further the details are here. Okay. Now coming back to the installation, and I am going to find the option where we can import the demo content. So under appearance, it is not. and I can see the import demo content is here, so it is available separately, and I can simply click on this. Okay, so this is the option where we can select what actually we want to import, and by default many selected all contents like post, pages, upload attachments, widgets, import theme settings and sliders. And this is only option. Since it is a new installation, all is selected and I am proceeding with this. And you can read all this information. So please click the import only once and it will take a couple of minutes, reload the page. And reload page once or twice. Please wait until the end of procedure. Do not navigate away. Okay, wonderful. So we will simply proceed. Click on import. And now I can see spinner is moving and it is bringing data at our installation. So as said, we have to wait here without disturbing the screen. And you can open the media library in another tab to check whether you are getting the images. If images are coming fine, it means the demo import process is going fine. So you can refresh the page. It should be increasing, like it was 24 and now it is 32. So the import process is going fine. Don't disturb this screen. It is a very, very important step for bringing the demo website at your installation. And I got this wonderful message, all done, have fun, after 2 minutes, and the spinner is stopped now, and I can check the media library section and I have got 48 images. I can check the pages. Pages are here, like home pages here, news, our services, our team, all pages are here, and finally website is here. Okay, so you might be wondering why images are not here. So it is this demo install just provides the placeholder images, and it is a good thing actually. If we are getting the placeholder images, it is giving us an idea about the image size. Ultimately, we have to upload our own images, and the website is complete in every respect. As you can see, the services page, the about us page, and all pages. So this is the service page, and I can show you the about us page as well, like pages and the calculated fill page, and this is the calculated events like first member, second member, and also you can create as many ad forms you need as per your requirement for your event website. And I wish to show you the about us page as well. Okay, let me find it out. So this is the about us page, and this is wonderful. So all pages are here. We just need to place our content, images and all, and our website will be fine, ready and up for going live. Okay, so now the installation is complete. It remained very smooth, and now I'm taking you to the backend again to show you what additional things we have received in this installation. I mean, what additional features are available and how we can proceed for the customization. First of all, this is an event website, so complete event management section is here. So I'll show you the event section in very crisp manner, so that you may understand how you can create events and all. So these are all events that is available, and we can simply check the fields that is available in the events page. So these are fields: add to calendar, and this is a event detail page. You can create as many events as you need, and you can add new event, add new tags, event categories, venue, organizers, import the events and all. So complete event management is to be done from this section. Next, I can see the cookie. Yes, so this is for controlling the cookie information. I'm just showing you the additional things. I mean, in addition to default WordPress things. Services is other part where you can handle the services that is being at your website. So I can show you a service detail page. This is one of the service detail page, and you can edit the existing pages of services, or you can delete these default pages, demo pages, and start putting your own completely. Okay, so the services are here, and now profiles. Similarly, you can edit the profiles at website through this section. So again, you have to delete these profiles, and I'll show you the profile page as well. In the profile page, we have the organizers or event members, you can say. So this is the profile page, and it is a very simple and to the point websites, as I can see. And next I can see the WooCommerce, just in case if you are planning to launch an e-commerce website using this thing. Layer slider for adding the sliders, that is hero images, the slider section, and we can further go for customizing. If the layer slider is being used, you can add a new project. Homepage slider is here. You can edit the slider images from here. So it is really very important. You can edit the sliders from here, that is displayed on the home page, on the landing page. So I'm going to show you how you can edit the sliders very easily. Layer slider is also very good slider options for WordPress website. You can simply change the text, add the images here and all. So just click on the area that you want to edit and you can edit the sliders as it is everywhere. Now taking you again to the back end. Next I can see the revolution slider is also here, just in case if you are using revolution slider at your home page, you can edit the contents using slider contents using this revolution slider. So this is again home page here. So home page slider is here. You can edit the contents using this option. Depending, both sliders cannot be used at a time, so you have to decide which slider you are using. Instagram feed is just for setting up the Instagram feed at your website, and it is again needs a complete configuration. So you can go with the screen instructions for setting up these things. Theme setting is here. So the basic settings of the theme, the layout, the logo type, logo image you can upload here, retina logo. Similarly, header part and like header information, top header info can be changed from here, and the basic settings are here. Content, how you want to show the content, and the footer part, footer information. It's going to be so simple. And next is the calculated fields. So if you are willing to change the template of calculated fields, the form of calculated fields, you can create new form or use the existing forms as applicable for your website. Import demo content we have already used. Now I'm showing you again the home page, and you can edit. Okay, so layer slider is also here, and the revolution. It is totally your choice out of these two sliders which you want to use. And for editing the page information, you can simply use this own by CMS Masters page builder, as I said in the beginning of this video. So they use their own page builder. It is very, very effective page builder. I have used in the in our earlier projects. So you can simply edit the section that you want, and you can use this pencil icon for editing the content. You can set everything, don't worry. And again, if you have any doubt, if you have any question, you can simply write in the comment section of this video. And after purchasing the theme through the video description link, that is from Invite to Market, you can simply join the iCreate program for free. It is absolutely free if you are buying the theme through the link. So it is all for you, and you can simply start your website, and you can create wonderful event management website, holiday planning website using this happy event WordPress theme as I assume. In the next video, I'm coming with more solution for WordPress website, and I believe you are watching all the videos, and if you have any questions, you can simply write in the comments. And one more thing, a special program is going on for SEO, so you can submit your current website if you have for free SEO checks, and the series for SEO videos is also coming on the channel. So keep watching, keep building. Thank you.